Like, I'm so excited for this. Let's get this camera right. Hey guys, it's me, Dezzyloops, and I'm back again with another video. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys some of the yarn that I just got from Michaels, and I'm super excited for this because the yarn is originally $10, $9.99. With tax, that's probably about $10, but guess what? It was on sale for $5, but guess what? When it rang up, it was $3. I got $70 worth of yarn for $22.47. I got the receipts. Where are the receipts? I went to Michael's, as you can see, and I did not know this was $3. I would have got way more if I thought it was only $3. It was on sale. Where's the tag? Yes, it was on sale for $5. But then when she was ringing it up, it was coming up as $3. And I wanted to run back and be like, oh, can I like go get some more? But there were other people in line, so I didn't want to, you know, be rude. But I have this right here for when I'm like just sewing in things for projects. Then I got these. I needed some in different sizes. I needed this definitely for when I'm upcycling. And then I got this. You ready? Then my packet, one of the packages from Amazon came in. I got the gold rings for the bags. Look how beautiful that is. They're so pretty. They're like for the loop part for the straps of the bags I'm gonna start making. I'm excited, y'all. Let me show y'all this yarn I got for a craft. And honestly, if I would have known it was that cheap, I'm glad something told me not to bring my credit card. Something was like, you got cash, just bring the cash you got, leave the credit card at home. God knew what he was doing, because I would have spent a lot of money. Guys, let me bring out a loop for y'all. That's beautiful. This is gorgeous. So each of these yarns are going to be one individual bag that I'm going to sell. So we have this one. That's gorgeous. We have this one. Look at this. We have this one. This beautiful pink. This one. I wonder what this one's called. Teal. I think these are named wrong. This has teal on it. And then this one was dark gray, and that's definitely not dark gray, so I think they're named wrong. But this color's gorgeous. And this color's gorgeous. I'm gonna be making bags out of these. The rest of the things that I ordered for the bags right now, I only have these. I ordered some chain straps for the bags, and now I'm just gonna do a very simple pattern with these. Nothing too much, because I just want the textures and everything to, like, you know, shine on its own. Let me see if I can hold all these. I want the textures and stuff to shine on their own. Look at this, guys. I'm so happy. I love yarn so much, okay? And I need to figure out what company is Lion Brand, not Lion Brand, Loops and Thread under. I need to figure that out, because I be trying to like look them up to shop them out or add them on Instagram, and I can never find them. Are they under a bigger brand? Like Michaels or Lion Brand or something? I'm not sure, but this is the yarn I got. I'm super excited for the bags, and I'm gonna make a separate video. Oh, I almost dropped it. I'm gonna make a separate video with those bags and just make a video like, I don't think I'm gonna do how I design them, because there's so many amazing cool bag tutorials out here, but I am just gonna like do like a design Dezzyloops bag with me or something, and I'm gonna see if the sale is going on online or was that just like an in-store thing only. But y'all need to definitely check out y'all local yarn stores, okay, because these sales are selling, and I might go back, but I don't know like how long that sale lasts, if it was just for like this week or this month or something like that. But I'm going to check Michaels online and figure that out. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. And thank you guys for following me on this journey. I've been having so much fun doing this, honestly. Like, this has been so fun to me. Like, right after this, I'm gonna see what type of green yarn I have, because I'm gonna make a video crocheting a iPhone charger cover so people could stop stealing chargers, because their hands are real sticky. Their hands are real sticky. They like stealing people's things, and it's like, leave that stuff alone. Like, you knew that charger wasn't yours. Why'd you pick it up? Because you thought you could get away with it. But not no more, because when you crochet this charger, everyone gonna know it's yours. They're not gonna be able to steal it, because it's gonna have your signature on it. So I think I'm gonna do some leaves. I think I want to do some crochet leaves, or a vine, maybe flowers, roses. I'm not sure, but yeah, stay tuned for that video. That's probably the next one I'm gonna do after this one. Yeah, and I'm just so excited. I'm just excited for the content. I'm excited for the journey, just having fun in the moment, in the process. Excited for all you guys for viewing my work. Thank you guys so much. I'm seeing you guys coming in, and I'm getting excited, a little nervous. You guys are watching. But yeah, thank you guys so much, and I pray you guys have an amazing, blessed day, filled with positivity, light, and joy. Just know that I love you, God loves you, and that's all you need. If God loves you, who can be against you? If he's for you, who can be against you? That's all you need in your corner. You don't need nobody else, just God. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a blessed day.